Make a great choice today with the 2013 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, stability control, tire pressure monitor, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.